Hey guys, welcome back. Douglas's Model Garage's videos, and I'm give you a little update on my James Bennett memorial build. I'm doing the 71 cuda, Hemi cuda from Monogram here. Show you what I got so far. Got my chassis primered in white, interiors primered in white. Got the engine primered in white. I gotta remember what color these were for the Plymouth. And I got the body primered in white. Um, got the roof line, the headliner masked off, so that'll go stay white. Got the hood done in white, and the rear roll pan done in white. So far, primer. Then we have the first coat of flat black parts, like the fan belts. And we got the spoiler, first coat of flat black on that. Along with the rear window blinders, I guess they're called. I ain't sure what those are called. You guys will let me know. And we got the dashboard, first coat of black. And the bumpers done in white because I'm going to do in body color. Sprayed the tail lights so I can come back and detail these. So those are going to be, red. And the backup light color. And then this is the radiator core. What you doing? And I got the turn signals done in white so far. And I got a pair of seats done in white. So next thing to do is, like you see, all these parts painted and this body. And all that's ready for the next color. Which next color on it will be, the body color will be the X15 light green. And that's what I got so far for you guys. And of course, that's Licorice making an appearance in the shop here. So, hope you guys liked the video, and there he is. There's little buddy. Hope you guys liked the video, and see how far I'm going. And we have a new special guest in the shop. We have the one and only Bugs Bunny. So, another rabbit in the Golden Bunny's laboratory here. So, hope you guys liked the video, and thanks for watching, guys. Alright, bye.